I'm Bill Chadwick. I work at Oregon State University, and I'm also with the NOAA Pacific Marine Environmental Laboratory, and I'm the chief scientist on this expedition. The research I've been doing at Axial Seamount is a kind of volcano monitoring, and we're looking at how this volcano is moving in response to magma movements underneath it. So it gives us an idea of what's happening beneath the surface. Scott Nooner and I have been doing this kind of volcano monitoring for the last 15 years, so we've got a pretty long record leading up to now.
We've been lucky enough to see a few different eruptions at this point. The volcano erupted in 1998, just prior to us beginning to make these pressure measurements. And then it erupted in 2011. So after the 2011 eruption, we looked at the behavior of the volcano, and based on the behavior of the volcano and the way the magma was moving back into the magma chamber, that allowed us to take this hypothesis and make a forecast for when the eruption might occur. We
thought, if this pattern repeated itself, that the Axial was due to erupt again sometime in 2015, and then in April of this year it did erupt. So this volcano eruption forecasting seems to be working really well at Axial.
So we really are starting to get a little bit of a handle on the character of the volcano and how it behaves over time, which is pretty cool.
Why all of us are excited to be out here this time is because we know this big event happened, and we only know a little about it. Trying to understand better what happened during the eruption, where the lava went, how much volume came out, how it was emplaced, what kind of effects it had on the hydrothermal system and the biological system. There's all these interactions and interrelations and links between the geology and the chemistry and the biology, and so that makes it a really interesting place to study. The most fun part of science is that feeling of discovery, of seeing something amazing for the first time. And active volcanoes are great places to see amazing things.